Hello everybody, this is Ryan Lagenza from Keller Williams Edge. Today I'm at 23 Sonoma Valley Crescent here in Hamilton, and it is a beautiful day out today. I'm going to be doing an open house this weekend, both Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4 p.m. And I'd like you to come out and view the property. But if you can't make it, let me take you inside and show you around. But before you go in, here's a couple of details about it. It has 1,475 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's got fresh paint inside, new laminate flooring. There's lots of upgrades. I want you to see it, so let's go take a look. Thank you for joining me on this tour of 23 Sonoma Valley Crescent in Hamilton. I will be doing an open house both Saturday, June 3rd and Sunday, June 4th from 2 to 4 p.m. both days. But if you can't make it or you'd like your own private tour, please send me an email or give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you.